once again, welcome to my channel, and this will serve as your review. Um, Last time we have our conditional statement, the if statement, if else statement, on our part 1 video that will be available on our YouTube list, or the video posted above. Now we will be discussing the if-else statement. So acknowledge the W3 school for the syntax and the syntax that we will be using. We'll be using the syntax for a demonstration. So the else-if statement, use the else-if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. So if the condition here is false, it will jump into else-if. As you can see, there is a space between else and if. Then if the statement is false here, then it will continue with else. So blocks of code to be executed if condition 1 is true. Okay, if happens to be true, the blocks of code here will be executed. Once again, the function of this curly braces is to enclose the statement inside or after the if condition. So once again, if there is one or more statement, you have to enclose it. If just one statement after the if condition, no need to enclose it. But better yet, we use the curly braces to equip ourselves from using it, okay, to be acquainted with the syntax. Okay, we have here an example. If time is equals to 22, if time is less than 10, it will print good morning. Else if time is less than 20, it will print good day. Else, it will print good evening. Okay, thank you so much for the support. Because I have now a 684 subscribers. Kung nabudol man kayo, salamat po sa pagpabudol. To my students, to my friends, thank you so much. Let's keep rolling. Show support. Thank you. So shout out to the following persons. To Aaron Aquino, my classmate in PUP, and to Master, Sir Herminio, Sir, and to my student, Paulitz. I shout out daw kay Paulitz. Okay, let's continue. Variable is int. Variable is equals to 10. Rather 25. Then if a variable is less than 25, it will print, or it will display else, otherwise. So here we will be using nested if, else if. It will be catching conditions that will not satisfy the first one, the first condition in if statement. So else if, another condition here. So we're going to put here a space, else space if. Could have here variable is greater than if variable is equal to 25, you could have here Christmas Day. Otherwise, if the condition does not satisfy this condition, it will go to else. So else, we have here Happy New Year. There's an error. No semicolon. Okay, since we have here 25 is equals to a variable, since variable contains 25, 25 is not less than 25, it is equals, though it goes here, 25 is equals to 25, then it will be printing Christmas Day celebration. So if we're going to change this as 10, so the value for variable is 10, it will be comparing, so 10 less than 5, let's run. It will be displaying pre-Christmas celebration. So let's start here, like 26, run. Okay, Happy New Year. So that this one is the if statement, the nested if. So let's move on. Shorthand for if. Ternary operation. There is also a shorthand IfElse, which is known as ternary operation because it consists of 3 operands. It can be used to replace multiple lines of code with a single line. It is often used to replace simple if-else statement. Okay, so the syntax here is the variable condition, question mark, expression is true, colon, then expression is false. So let's start. So this is an example. If time is equals to 20, time is less than 20. Okay, from this example, we will be using a ternary operation. So let's just compare this one. Time, we have the initial variable declaration. So string result, this is the condition as got here, taken from here. Then question mark. Okay, this one is for the true. Conditional statement is proven true, then it will print good day, otherwise it will be printing good evening. Again, this is a shorthand for if else. Okay, let's try this one. Say variable is, let's go back to 25. Okay, then let's remove this one. Okay, wait. We have here string result is equals to, okay, variable less than 25. We're copying this one. Okay, let's just copy 45, then question mark, what shall we be printing? What will be printing? It's pre-Christmas celebration. If it's less than 25. Then otherwise, this is the else statement, else part. So we have here Christmas Day or post. Okay, Christmas Day or post celebration after Christmas. Then we could have here semicolon, we'll be printing the result okay, we have a small screen. We'll be printing here the result from this one. So we just got this one again, once again. So we got this one and put it here. Okay, then question mark or a question mark for the condition. If happens to be true, okay, if this is true, if say the value of a variable is 24, it will be printing pre-Christmas celebration. Then it will be printing this one. Otherwise, if the value for variable is say it's 25th or beyond 25th, it will be displaying Christmas Day celebration. So otherwise, if we have this 26, it will be displaying this one because it turns to be false. Or this would be the false statement. Okay. So let's remove this one. I hope this one is clear. Let's run. Okay, pre-Christmas celebration because our variable contains a value of 25. Okay, so this will be printed. Otherwise, if we're going to remove this one, 25 or less than or equal to 25, that it happens to be true. If we're going to change this into 28, it's possible. Okay, then run again. Then it is Christmas Day or post celebration. So that's end here for the if-else, if conditional statement, and the shorthand if-else. So this was ternary operation. So we have a ternary operation or shorthand of if-else statements. Okay, so once again, let's run. Let's just change this into 21. Run again. A pre-Christmas celebration. Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone. It's 12:17 here in the Philippines, and it's currently having a typhoon. Okay, so Merry Christmas, advance Merry Christmas. So if you have questions regarding the presentation or the lecture, just comment down below. Okay, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.